Welcome to Kuracha Gomez's channel. This is a video on making quick, healthy, high protein and delicious waffles. He's opening a new box from Amazon. Good morning.
Good morning.
What do we have there?
Palmetto.
Saw palmetto. Good for prostate. For old people. What else? More saw palmetto. Even more saw palmetto. Another saw palmetto. That's bubble wrap. And what else is there? What's that? Oh, it's an attachment for, what's that? Pasta maker. Cool. We're gonna make homemade pasta. Oops, what else do we have? Ooh, a rotating waffle maker. We're gonna make waffles. It's like one of those waffle makers they have at Dells, huh? Anything else to say?
No.
He's opening our pasta maker. Oh no, it's the
Waffle maker.
waffle maker, something maker. Ah! Did you break the... Is it heavy?
Yeah.
When did you break the granite countertop?
No.
Okay. Good. You're not gonna try it, right?
No. It's too much.
Do you have the ingredients needed?
I don't know.
We'll see. We can stop by Walmart. Hello. What are we doing?
We're making Kodiak cakes, waffles.
Okay.
This is from Costco. And we're going to measure out about 110 grams of flour.
I mean the Kodiak mix, right?
Yes.
So this one here is flapjack and waffle mix from Costco, and it's protein packed. According to this,
Got extra protein in it.
yes. Let's look at the information here. It says 15 grams of water replaced with mix. Where's the nutrition facts? Right there. It has how much protein? 15 grams of protein per serving. Is that what you're making? A serving? Or is it a little bigger than
No,
one
it's 2
serving?
servings.
It's 2 servings.
So 30 grams of protein.
30 grams of protein. So what have you done so far?
I put in 2/3 cup water.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm putting in about a tablespoon of canola oil. The oil is very important if you're making waffles. It keeps them from sticking.
Okay. If you're making pancakes, you don't need the oil.
Correct.
Okay. Close that pantry. So let's.
You want the batter a little thicker than you need, and you think you need, okay? Doesn't want to be runny because it needs to be thick enough so that it coats both sides of the waffle iron.
Okay.
And this is the right thickness here. And if it's a little thin, you can let the batter sit for 5 or 10 minutes, okay? And it'll thicken up a little bit because the flour will absorb more of the water.
Okay.
Okay,
And
this is perfect.
we're going to be using this Bella waffle maker. Okay, so hold on, what are you doing? You just pour it right in the middle there. You're making 2 waffles for that. Okay, and then
This is
close. Oh, and then turn it. How much time? Or
the light is on now.
Uh-huh.
That means it's hot. Okay, the light will go off. The green light will go off, and you wait for the light to come back on again.
to what? To indicate that it's done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It doesn't beep?
Yep.
Oh. Doesn't beep. You have to watch that. So it turns off. It's green right now.
Yeah. It'll turn off.
Right now it's off. When it's done, it turns back on.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna pause right now. How long does it take? Maybe I shouldn't pause so I have an idea of how long it takes.
Okay.
So no timer necessary though, right?
No timer necessary.
Okay, just
Look at the light.
okay. Not even any kind of ding.
Nope.
Maybe I should write the manufacturer and make that suggestion. What do you think? Wouldn't it be useful?
Sure.
Why don't you, since you are the expert?
Because I'm not that kind of person.
What do you mean? Do you know any kind of person who writes manufacturers? I wonder. Okay, let's see. It's still off. I don't know how long it's been. I might just edit some out of this. I'll put the timer on for the next one.
The next one will cook a little faster.
Oh, because it's smaller amount?
No, because it's hotter.
Oh. Why would it be hotter? What are you doing right now?
Oh, the light's on.
Oh, the light's on, so it's done. And you just... Don't you need some kind of a... like wooden spoon to take or fork to take? Wow, it looks perfectly done, huh?
Yep.
It knows, and it doesn't stick, huh?
Doesn't stick.
Wow. That's almost as good as the ones they have in hotels, you know. So, look at that. So you didn't quite fill it up, right?
No. It could have been filled with more.
If you fill it up too much, it might overflow. And we don't have control to overflow.
That's why I measured it out to 110 grams. I know that's not going to fill up the waffle maker.
So it's okay if it's not completely full. It's not good if it's overflowing. It's going to make a mess.
110 grams of mix will make 2 waffles.
Here's the second one. So I'll put the timer on. I'll tell you exactly how long it took. But I'm going to pause now. So right now it's 5:52. So close it. 5. I'm gonna pause. It's been about a minute. It's still not done, but it should be shortly, I think. So you really like this pancake? This
Waffle maker.
waffle maker.
Yeah, it doesn't stick.
And how do you clean it? Do you wash it?
Yeah, just wash it in with soap and water.
Oh, really? I thought you're not supposed to do that. I think you can just, I don't know. You might get the vertical system. Oops.
Done.
I think you just wipe it off with damp cloth. Especially if it's... Okay, ooh, it turned out perfect also. I like the fact that it knows exactly when it's completely done and it doesn't get it wrong. You should unplug it. Okay, and there it is. How many calories would be this?
We'll
Two
put that
waffles.
in the notes.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll put that in the notes. But we know this has, what, 30 grams of protein.
More than that.
Oh, it's more than that. Okay. What are you doing now?
Pouring the syrup.
He's pouring the syrup. And he weighs how much syrup he's going to. How much?
That's 42 grams.
Okay. Is that what you always try? Around that?
Around that.
Okay. He's getting ready to eat. He's getting ready to eat. And yes, folks, it's not breakfast. It's dinner. He eats pancakes and waffles for any meal of the day. And look at how he uses his syrup instead of pouring it. So you're using it as a... Why do you do that?
Because the syrup doesn't then soak into the waffle, and you tend to use less syrup, and because it's just on the surface, you taste it just as sweet.
So it's a good way to not overeat the sugary things. And also, it also what? Keeps the waffles crunchy, right? A little crunchy. I think that's better than, soggy waffles. Maybe I should do that. How come they don't do that in like IHOP, huh? Maybe we should. So it's a syrup dip rather than pouring it. You like it? Why don't you... Yes, and say your magic line.
Here goes the syrup.
Here goes the syrup. Thank you for showing us your high protein, healthy waffles. And you are happy with our waffle maker, right?
Yes.
It's worth the money we paid for it. I think we got it from Amazon. Not too expensive either. I'll put the price on the video itself. Bye.